Public charge, what does it mean? February 24th, 2020, two new public charge rules went into effect, one by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and one by the Department of State, DOS. Public charge and COVID-19. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services encourages all persons, including undocumented persons, who experience symptoms that resemble COVID-19, fever, cough, shortness of breath, to seek necessary medical treatment or preventive services. Such treatment or preventive services will not negatively affect any person as part of a future public charge analysis. What is public charge? Some people who apply for a green card, lawful permanent residency, or a visa to enter the United States must pass a public charge test, which looks at whether the person is likely to use certain government services in the future. In making this determination, immigration officials review all of a person's circumstances, including their age, health, family status, income, education or skills, including English language skills, and their sponsor's affidavit of support or contract. They can also consider whether a person has used certain public programs or is likely in the future to use such programs. Public charge, does it apply to me? Are you and your family members United States citizens? Public charge does not apply to you. You should continue to enroll in programs you are eligible for. Public charge, does it apply to me? Do you and your family members already have green cards? Public charge and any changes under the new rules will not affect you when you renew your green card or apply to become a United States citizen. However, if you plan to leave the country for more than 6 months, it is a good idea to talk with an immigration attorney. Public charge, does it apply to me? Are you applying for or have one of the following statuses: TPS, U or T visa, asylum or refugee status, or special immigrant juvenile status? The public charge test does not apply to all immigrants, including the categories listed here. Public charge, does it apply to me? Do you plan to apply for a family-based green card? Only the use of certain public programs will be considered in the public charge test. Your income, age, health, education, skills, family situation, and sponsor's affidavit of support will also be considered. You should talk with an expert for advice on your case before making any decisions. What programs does the new DHS public charge rule consider? Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, EBT, or food stamps. Federal Public Housing and Section 8 assistance. Medicaid, except for emergency services, children under 21 years, pregnant women, and new mothers. Cash assistance programs, like supplemental security income, temporary assistance for needy families, general assistance. It is also important to know that benefits used by family members will not count in public charge decisions. Public charge and public benefits. Services that are not listed on the last slide will not be counted in the public charge test. This includes WIC, CHIP, school lunches, food banks, shelters, state or local health care programs, Head Start, and many more. Also, unemployment is not considered a public benefit. It is insurance, the costs of which are covered by workers and employers, not taxpayers. Unemployment is an earned benefit that isn't considered for the public charge review. Public charge and eligibility for public benefits. Most immigrants who are subject to a public charge determination are not eligible for the benefits that count under the rule, and many benefits are not considered in the public charge assessment. Public charge, what should I do? If you are unsure about your situation, seek advice from an immigration attorney or DOJ accredited representative. And here are some resources.